Welcome to this tutorial about getting started with the SMI eye tracking glasses and the Smart Recorder. Users have questions about how to get started with the eye tracking glasses and the Smart Recorder, such as how do I connect and turn on the devices? How do I begin recording? How can I look at the data? What recording types are available? Let's answer these questions and more. We will start by connecting the devices so we can begin recording. We begin by answering the question, how do I set up the equipment and start recording? To connect the devices, slide the USB cable on the eye tracking glasses into the red USB cable on the Smart Recorder. To turn on the Smart Recorder, hold down the power button on the side of the device until you feel the Smart Recorder vibrate. It vibrates to let you know it is turning on. That's all it takes to get started. As the devices are connecting, the connection screen will display on the Smart Recorder. This screen will display until the two devices are fully connected. The power pack that powers the glasses must be turned on in order for the devices to connect. Now that the devices are connected, how do I begin recording? Once the devices are connected, the dashboard screen will display. Select the Quick Run button to do a quick recording. It's really that simple. You can calibrate the system for the current participant by pressing Calibrate. Please refer to the tutorial titled Calibration Using the Smart Recorder for a detailed description of the calibration process. To begin recording, tap the round record button. To stop recording, tap the square record button. To create a new participant, tap the new participant icon. A new name will be suggested for the participant. You can keep the suggested name or type in a new one. Then tap Create to add the participant. The participant's name will be listed on the screen under the participant icon. A recording then begins, with the recording time being shown at the top of the screen. Now that I have recorded, how can I look at the data? Once you have recorded, you can use bGaze software to work with the data. Let's take a look at how to download data onto your computer from the Smart Recorder. To begin, be sure the bGaze software is installed and open on your computer. Your Smart Recorder version determines how you connect to bGaze software. The version can be found underneath the Smart Recorder battery. Your Smart Recorder version will determine how you connect to bGaze. For Smart Recorder version 2.0, connect the USB cable of the Smart Recorder to a USB slot on the computer that has bGaze installed in order to connect to bGaze. For Smart Recorder version 2.1 and higher, perform the following steps. Remove the SD card from the recorder. Insert the SD card into the adapter that was provided by SMI with your hardware. Then insert the adapter into a computer with bGaze installed. To work with experiment data, open bGaze on your computer. Select the File menu and choose Collect Recording Unit Data. Select Move and Create to create an experiment from the data on the Smart Recorder. After data has been transferred, the data will be deleted on the Smart Recorder. This screen will display on the Smart Recorder while data is being downloaded into bGaze. Once the data download is complete, your experiment will open automatically. Double-click the thumbnail image to work with the experiment data. So what recording types are available? There are 3 recording types available. Quick Run offers one-click recording with a single participant. You can record instantly, and recordings can be viewed and analyzed using bGaze. Using experiments is another recording type, which allows additional customization settings. Participant properties Device settings and annotations can also be added. Settings can be shared across devices for standardization, and recordings can be combined into a single experiment with the BeGaze software. Direct gaze is another recording type. The gaze cursor is directly encoded into scene video recordings when using this recording type. Gaze data is not recorded separately, so it cannot be analyzed using BeGaze. Recordings can be played immediately using any video player. This recording type allows immediate viewing to test video quality without using BeGaze. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on getting started using the ETG and the SmartRecorder. Please contact SMI support if you have additional questions about how to get started.